And now we are in the middle of a stream. The water is crisp and clear. Looks like we had a shower. Oh bro, be careful man. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we came outside for a 3 kilometers walk and we have decided to shoot a vlog of this beautiful place. Bridge is under construction and this road will bypass the whole city to avoid a traffic jam. Now we have decided to go downhill into the stream. Let's see how we make it. A moment ago I was on the top and now we are in the middle of a stream. The water is crisp and clear because we had a heavy rainfall in the morning. And have a look at that, how far we have come along. Wow, the track is totally horrible, damn hard to come downhill. Listen to the sound of the water, crisp clean water, and the sound makes it even more interesting. Bro, would you like to go inside the water?
No, never.
Why? Are you afraid of the water?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Same here. I can't swim, so I won't go inside the water. Must be deep one. Oh. Let's go into the middle and have some views. There you can see a seagull. Oh, white color seagull. It seems to be a pitch. Oh. Totally wild beauty, nature at its very best. Bro, you must be tired, huh?
No, I'm back after walking.
Beautiful view, huh? Feeling a bit fresh. Wow. Every single view of this place makes it even more beautiful. Wow. Now we are going uphill, and as you can see in front of us, it is going to be some challenge. It wasn't easy to come downhill, but yeah, it's going to be hard to go back. Halfway done and still a long way to go. And just look at the track, full of stones. Oh God, have a look at the top. The track is totally like this till the top, and we are already sweating. Oh man, here you can see we are sweating. Looks like we had a shower. Oh bro, be careful man. You can't believe these stones, they may slip down at any time. Oh, come on. Still a long way to go. You can see this stone actually fell down due to the heavy rainfall. Be careful, Sajil. You may slip down, boy. So, finally made it to the top. It was a terrible experience of my life. You can hear the sunset adhan, Maghrib adhan in the background. And have a look at us. We're sweating like we had a shower. Oh man. The track is totally dirty and full of water. because it's a monsoon season, and someone told me it's not safe to go in such places in monsoon season. So finally time to say goodbye, and I hope you guys would like my video. Thank you.